let's make a boomerang on Instagram using your camera roll. So if you don't necessarily want to take a video or a photo right now and use that as a boomerang, you want to use it as something that's old, I'll show you how to do that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's hop into Instagram here. I'm going to just swipe to the right to bring up story. And then I'm going to tap the little picture at the very bottom left of my gallery. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see a bunch of photos and videos, but if you want to turn any of those into a boomerang, the very first thing that we'll have to do, let's hop out of here and tap that little boomerang icon. This will convert some of those to boomerangs. So now that I have that turned on, I can now tap that again, and you'll see at the top left of some of these photos, let me scroll through, like this one, it has a little infinity loop right next to it. So you can see some of these are now turned into boomerangs. So I can tap on that. Now you'll see that it's not necessarily moving and causing a boomerang now, but I can tap the boomerang symbol towards the top here, and you'll see it is now turned into a boomerang. The key here is that these are live photos that are then turned into boomerangs. Now, if I go out of here and hit done, I can't necessarily do this for videos. It does not work in the Instagram app itself. You have to bring it into an editor like InShot and do a repeat on that. And then you can bring it in if you want to use a video as a boomerang. But the nice thing is all these live photos, you can also publish them as boomerangs. And it's a pretty cool feature to kind of switch up what your photos look like. It adds a little bit of motion to them. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.